Hey everybody, there's the first pendant done here. Beautiful Dallasite. Terry, friend of mine Terry, found it in the Victoria area, sent it to me. I've just now done the setting, which is as thin as a guy could ever get. It was tedious. I had some issues, but I haven't used this type of setting in quite a while. I'm even sweating from having to hammer on it so much, actually. That's sort of funny, but a lot of people don't realize it's metal. You gotta smash it sometimes. Here's the silversmithing desk, table. Normally people would have a bench. Mine is just, a table that I had, because that's it. Shears, tongs, boiling acid, explosive materials. I'll get into those later. Various tools for soldering on. That's all solder. What else do we got here? My Opal Stones things, files. Here's a previous attempt for that exact one, actually, and unfortunately didn't go so well. As I said, that one I was struggling a bit with. Here's a frame for this one for Beverly. Pretty close. I was hoping to get that stuff today, but the other stuff took longer. We got these ready. Another one, and files, and there's a project that I've started that I'm doing here is a Jade Pipe. I have a sleeve that comes in and out, so there's no chance of smoking asbestos or whatever. And there we go. Bunch of tools, bunch of stuff, just giving a bit of progress. There's more tools, more tables, more everything's, but we can't do everything in 1 minute. Once again, this is me, and we're on the gold silversmith side. Okay, till next time.